students, welcome to Shaurab's classes. In this video, I am going to explain some things about binomial theorem. First, what the term binomial means. The term binomial refers to two expressions when they are separated either by subtraction or by addition. Means there are two terms in an expression which are either separated by plus within the two terms or minus within the two terms. Suppose x minus m or x plus m. Now, in a case of positive integers, like with an exponential form, in case of binomials like x minus a whole to the power n. In this case, like x plus a whole to the power n. In this case, we are getting an expression which will be the general term nc1 x to the power n plus nc2 x to the power n minus 1 plus up to ncn x to the power 0 and a to the a plus up to. And now let's look at when it will be x minus a whole to the power n. When it's x minus a whole to the power n, then we should replace a by minus a. Now x minus a whole to the power n will be is equal to ncn x to the power n a to the power 0 minus nc n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 a to the power 1, that is a, up to minus 1 to the power n into ncn x to the power 0 a to the power n. Now this value means the constant term will depend upon the value of n. If the value of n is odd, then it will be minus, means constant term will be negative, and if the value of n is odd even, then it will be positive. Now let's look at when x minus a to the power n plus x plus a to the power n is taken. In this case, it will be after simplification, okay, 2 into odd terms, and when it will be x plus a whole to the power n minus x minus a whole to the power n, that is x plus a whole to the power n minus x minus a whole to the power n, it will be and here we will have constant term also. 2 into sum of even terms That's the end of this video. Thank you.